good evening.
Come ready, we are going to shop. Yes, people, elderbigz boy that you know, see my shop back on me there, you don't know. See him? Man, look who thugs, man. So we are going to shop. Is it, my peep? Ah, my G. Yeah. Just come from Mandeville. Is it, my peep? So elderbigz are going to shop now and go buy some rice. Cook some curry goat and rice and peas. So, you see it?
Dad, I'm going to get curry goat. I'm going to get curry goat.
I buy mutton, so when I cook it, I go turn curry goat. You love curry goat?
I'm going to cook pumpkin rice and drop season and pepper.
You said I cook pumpkin rice?
I like pumpkin rice.
You don't like pumpkin rice? Well, daddy love it, that's for your business. Alright, so.
I
You don't know, I joke you love it. Yeah, my peeps, so we're up on the road. Gosh. Yeah. Going out of the shop, my peep. Biscuit. Let me see juice. You love him? Alright, go on. Yeah, I'm mash up when I reach on. Yeah, give me some. Yeah, give mommy some. Oh. Alright, so. Yes, some peeps, you see it? I'm a OG that you know. I don't know what type of video I'm doing. I see me OG though. It's me OG there. See? So when I come from so actually you must stop out here, so look. You must stop here, so you look up and look down, you understand? Sorry, up, down, and look cross way.
Left.
You understand? If you drive a vehicle, yeah, after you see clear, you come out. See cream you wanna come, you want cream? So you go eat and drink some more, you're not afraid to catch collect. You're not afraid to catch collect. Oh shit, you know. Yes, some people say, I don't know. Elderbigz and him boy there. First when I see me shoot a video with me and my son, right? When I see one with my niece and my brother and all son already, so this is my boy. I see it my papers and look like a soldier, look on his face. Show people in my face. See it? Military man. Yeah man, son, I don't know my people when they catch me in the kitchen. Boom. Yes, my peep. Reaching in the kitchen along, you know, so I don't know. Dinner time. So I'm my boy in the kitchen. Tell the camera your name. Tell him my name.
My name is Malik Shevin Green.
Alright, then you hear that? My name is Malik Shevin Green. Alright. I don't want to hear that loud and clear, so. So elderbigz are going on in the night, my people. Yeah, the goat that, you know. Yes, man, a goat, man. If you know, so a goat it a go. Curry. Alright. So the rice there. And the peas in a pot of boil with the coconut juice. So I'm going to show you how I go on, but I show the rice in a basin. And turn on some water upon it. So I don't know, so my boy I go cook some food. What we cook? Curry goat?
Curry goat and
rice and peas. Alright, my peep. You hear that? So I get body sees up your goat, right? Alright. So come my peep, let me show you how I go on in the pot. So you see it? Coconut juice that in and peas and everything in there. Yes, so moving along with the rice and the sink, you know, my peep. Turn on water upon the rice. So I don't know if I need water run. I will just shift the base now a little bit. And I know so scallion prep on time. Right? So I go for pot again. Alright, so I run in the time and the scallion and the green pepper going to float. Alright, me peep on the salt layer. So I have a free on my salt, you know. And I don't know me know if you do my things, so I don't have to use my measurement, alright? Just like that. You see, no more than that, me peep. Cover my back. Yeah. So I will rub my rice like clothes and all my people. See it? So these are the brown rice and the white rice mix. Alright. So that's how we do it. Yeah, but you're not gonna rub it too hard, you know, because you know so the rice grain will break up. And we don't really want that. Alright. So I'm gonna catch me when I'm running rice and I pot my people. See it, people, so. Rice are going in the pot. After I do the rice, I'm gonna set on the goat. So I'm gonna set on here the mare. See my peeps, so rice in a pot, you know, see it? Yes, so stir it up. Alright. So the skeleton and them on the pepper and the thyme and float. Alright. Right, my peeps. So I'm gonna move along to the goat. So I'm gonna catch me up on the goat side, the mare. Alright, my peeps. See it? Yeah, man, at the goat that thing. Yeah, man. The mare. So, things are getting seasoned on my people. Remember, you know? I mean, my son are going to do this, you know, my babe. Come now, I'm going to stay. Come, because you feel a big chef. So, yeah, what season up your meat, make daddy say? So, season up your meat. Throw more season upon it, man. Before you rub him up, throw it all over it. So you throw your season and then rub it. Alright, throw more season. And pull it here. When you season it, look, daddy I go throw it here and you rub it, look. You see it? So this is an all-purpose mix. Tell the people.
All-purpose mix.
Alright. You have list of me people, so rub it in, rub up your meat now. So roll up your sleeve. Body roll up your sleeve here.
And make it cook.
Alright. So rub up your meat. One hand you use. Hold one hand with the basin. That's in a drop off and rub up your meat. Rub it, man, rub it. Knead it like a flour, yeah? Right? So we have cook curry goat.
Curry goat.
And what?
And rice and peas.
Alright. Alright. So that they are going to put on next season, right? So this is Maggi season up.
Maggi season up.
With ginger.
With ginger.
Alright, so that you are going to show this pony here. Let me put the chair.
And we turn pretty. And curry goat and pretty.
Alright, so put the ginger up on it. Don't rub it up it well on. Wait a minute.
And that is?
This one is all purpose.
All purpose.
And this is the curry.
And that is, this is curry, this is the curry, and this is the curry. And then we turn pretty.
So this is thyme.
Thyme.
This thing is thyme. And then you have garlic.
Garlic.
Let me say this name.
Garlic.
Alright, so
I get pepper.
you want pepper in there too? But I'm not going to make a rub up with the pepper in it, I'm going to burn it. So that you're going to do the part of you here. Right?
Not pepper yet.
You not prepare it yet. Make a rub up the first. Alright, so you want to season it up, not true? Are you name season up?
Yeah.
So I put the spice in the pot. Tell the people.
Now put this sack in the pot.
I am putting the spice in the pot. Alright, peep.
Alright.
Alright, so Daddy now I go use my pressure cooker, you know. Right? Daddy I go use normal pot.
Normal pot.
Yeah, because the goat soft, so I'm gonna have to pressure it. Alright? So this is the garlic. So Daddy I cut up the garlic, step back a little bit, that's gonna burn your eye. Stand up there, so yeah. So you know if you cut up garlic?
You
sure? Alright, I'm gonna give one to cut up. Alright? Here. Here. So watching people, I cut up on garlic. Take time. Cut it again. Alright, let it go now. Cut it again. Alright, I hit that. So you cut up the one there, right? Alright, so don't move it because I'm still not done it. Alright? Where is my skeleton? My skeleton. Where is my skeleton? Oh. Alright, peeps, so I have some skeleton. The amount of skeleton I have, I'm all out giant. But them I go use, you know. You have to go use. What's a bad thing when people tell people, yeah, you're giant like skeleton. Rough master.
After me just come from just make them master, me just and cut up garlic. And
So people, now the cake last time I have some warm water. So the warm water I actually go throw up on the goat feet tenderize. Alright, so I rinse off my skeleton and forward. Alright, so
I can wash pepper and garlic and skeleton.
So I cut up the skeleton. So me and my son are cooking up it. I want no joke. My son around the pot. Alright, so come in now, rub up this. Right, rub it up good man, rub it all up. Daddy now put in a curry in it here. Daddy I could burn the curry in the pot. Alright, rub up the pot here, so push it go over this, yeah. Look, let me show you, look. You take up some, take up it like this, and go so. So that you rub it, yeah, play with it like, yeah, ramping a drill. Do that. Good. Yes, so you season meat, yeah? Yeah man, rub him up man and clean up your face and rub him up. Yes, like you fight it. Make your season up good. Alright? Alright, so I eat that. So I'm gonna put it in the pepper now. Right? And then Daddy I go wash off your hand. Right? So I wash off my pepper and forward. So this is our pepper, right? So Daddy put it in the pepper. See it? Whole heap of pepper that say you can't put back your hand in there, yes sir? Alright, when I'm ready to stir it up, now you go stir it up here. Alright my son. So tell the people them see you on the next part. Tell them.
I see you on the next part.
Look in the phone. Tell them.
I see on the next part.
Okay. Repeat, I can see what I'm going with the rice. Lord Jesus Christ. Wanna see rice and peas? Yeah, man. A rice and peas that. And you saw the islet, you know. For the curry. So this a ginger, my people, you see it? Yes. No. Wait first. Don't move. Yeah. So let's see it, let's wait. Ginger that. Garlic. That's it. And I'm going to bust up a piece more pepper because I don't know it's a goat and a curry. Come back, come. Come on, man. Hold it. Hold it up. Show you in the pan. Show you out in the pan. Don't let go back in. See it, my peep? So now show you the curry. Alright, go on and come now. Alright, go on and come. So now see me boy I throw out one, so I throw out the rest of them. So that's a 2 pound of goat me a curry, you know, people. Come on, 2 pound of goat. Around the place, so 2 curry that guy. 3 curry that. Alright. So I'm gonna run in. Watch it splash. So I don't know. Goat. I'm gonna mutton back the paper. So me make a ram goat. Alright. So this story go on this one. Alright. That's it. So remember warm water up there and I take my people, so I will left the goat make it go on. Mind my own business, so I will cover him up my people. And while I cover the goat, I go make some juice put in my fridge. So I go see what I'm going with the juice. I mix the juice with my son. Alright, my people, my son trying to make the juice in, so you see it. So you see, this is a guava tang, my people, so my son is going to make it. See it, my people? Run on the hot water. Cover the back. Don't know, show one again with the rice and peas. I simmer down. Yeah, my peep. So my son is going to make the juice and also. When I catch him on the pot, I make the juice. Ready? Right, my peep. So my son there, I'm going to mix the juice. So I'm going to throw in the tang and I'm going to stir it. Alright? Come, Papa, start stirring. See it, my peep? Look at him, my peep. Looks like him a stir it, you know. Right? Stir it a bit. So that is a guava tang. Alright? Them sweet. So that's why so much water in it. Stir it again. So yeah, make guava tang juice. Alright. So let me spoon now. Hold your hand. So yeah, go taste it and tell me what it tastes, right? Taste it.
It's sweet.
Turn on to the camera, man. Hold your hand. Looking at the camera and taste it. Nice. So you want to stir it some more? Alright, stir it some more. See there. Mix up your juice, man. Your juice that you know, man. Yeah, mix it up. Alright? So you're done now. So you knock off the spoon when you finish mix. Alright, sir. I hear you. Right, big chef. So what is your name, chef?
My name's Kevin Green.
What is your name, chef?
My name's Kevin Green.
Look in the camera. What is your name?
My name's Kevin Green.
Alright, my people, no done hear that. Yeah, man, say, if you don't know elderbigz last name, on hear now. So him have what I call it? Him have my first name. Not Malik, the second name, sorry. So Chevy Green is my right name. So I don't know. My name is Malik Chevy Green. Alright, so see him juice I will make. I want to see him do the meat. Alright, so me and him will cut up some seasoning. You understand? So you see ginger going in our aisle. And ginger there again. So
Irish potato.
And
Carrot.
And this.
Garlic.
And this.
Pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Alright, my peeps, so you hear that? Bright boy Chevy Green in the kitchen, you know. Malik Chevy Green, you know. I want to ramp with him, you know, people. Look a bit from this time, I run a place. Not true, sir? Say yes.
Yes, Daddy.
Alright. Good boy. Alright, my peeps, so I'm going to catch my son on the other part of the channel, here. Alright. My peeps, so season time, peeps, so I don't know me and the boss there. I cut up some seasoning, alright? So help the boss cut up one sweet pepper, piece of sweet pepper. So I'm going to make the boss cut up one Irish.
Irish potato.
Alright, thank you, my son.
Sweet pepper done.
So I split the Irish with my son. Alright. So if people don't see that I get a mashed finger, but you understand it. It's alright in a burst. So I don't want to see it and think of dirt. So elderbigz are showing, you understand? Instead of me lick the nail, I lick my finger. Yes, my peeps. So all the that go on still. So take him a lick, I cut up the Irish. Watch your finger. Alright, don't cut that anymore. Take up another one. Look here, hold the knife straight like that.
I'm cutting a knife.
Yeah. Cut it how you can cut it, but mind your finger, right? Because when you are a chef, your knife very sharp, right? Alright, cut up another one. Yeah. Cut it again. Don't worry about people. When you're cooking, you don't pay attention to people. Pay attention to your food. Right, sir? Right, sir?
Yes, Dad.
Right. Cut up another one. That's two. Cut one. Cut it. So what were you cooking? Alright, alright. You cut just like how daddy cut. But you go so close to your finger. But you know if you practice that, right? That is going to teach.
Because I want chef.
Because you are one chef?
Yeah.
That's why you go so close to your finger? Okay, sorry sir, but that is not a good thing, right? Right?
Yes.
So, you cut up your one, so I cut up my one now. Right, sir?
Yes.
So what we are cook?
Irish potato, sweet potato.
No, what we are cooking, not cutting up. What we are cooking? Curry goat.
Curry goat.
And
Sweet pepper.
curry. We are cooking curry goat
Curry goat.
and rice and peas. So this is the seasoning, right?
Yes,
So that is the Irish potato. This is the sweet pepper. Hold the knife. So you and daddy will cut up this one, right? So alright. See it, my peep? I'm a boy in the kitchen working. No joke. Yeah, no joke about it, so I don't know. Young elderbigz. Right? Right, my peeps, so I don't know now. I'll catch up on the next part of the video. Said way. Alright? This is I'm throw it in the basin for daddy. Alright, so we don't cut up seasoning, alright? Alright? So I don't know my peeps, see the seasoning them there. Put your season, man. Put it on in your rub. See it? But season them that, you know, so put it in the pot. Tell the people them what you do with it.
I'm going to put it in the pot.
Alright, so alright. So we go for the pot. Come in, you can go for the pot. Turn up this, huh? Don't go close to this stove that in a run the part that with you here. Land me people before I put in the curry. Make you guys get a one little piece of story off of it. Come. Hold the spoon. Stretch over your hand. You see it, my peep? Elderbigz are helping me, so I teach him. You ready? Come on. What's a thorough up in curry good? Yes, man. What that in I put?
Curry good.
Alright. Knock off your spoon. Alright, so put your spoon in the season basin. See it here? Alright, now we'll get a fork. So, daddy I got to do it first and then you make you do it. So, you can see what I'm going with the goat people. Honestly people, how you look? Look like you can go on with people.
Okay.
Yes man, look like you can go on. So. Alright. I think I'll give you a couple more minutes to because remember I know we tell us the people there when I have no teeth, you know. So gum so. We'll make it cook down some more for when you throw in this season. Alright my people, and see the rice and peas there. Come in. And test the rice and peas there. Yes, it look like it cook. Eh? You ready? So you ready for it? Alright sir. Alright sir. Alright my people, you see that? Look at elderbigz in the kitchen, you know. Alright, so I don't know. Elderbigz and him boy there, so I understand. Alright? Yeah man, my peeps. So. Alright. Alright my peeps, so seasoning time. Alright my peep. Yes man. See that? Good season up in a people. So I make that cook down my people, alright? So the next time I'm gonna see me going on the curry goat pot, dinner time. Alright my people, wanna see it? Yeah. Curry goat still are going simmer down, you know people. Come on and know say elderbigz and his son now ramp. What you say? Nah skin, no teeth. So steam a fly people all about the camera get now I said the word that I'm not too like the part then. The F word, yeah. Yeah, when I like it. You wanna see it? Yes man. I cut up my curry goat fine, you know people. Goat for in a plate, so see it? Yes man, a goat for a hit. So it go and simmer said way. Right, me peep. See it? Yes, man, a food time, you know, me peep. Time over this, so. Yeah, man, I really throw me. So, you know, no see me about rice in a cup. But on a cup, elderbigz I eat all the time. I'm gonna start trying to design my thing, you understand me, peep? Yeah, man, you see that? The peep. So the peas turn up in it. Yes, ja. So back in the pot. Ramon, so elderbigz are going to share some food, me peep. Right, so I'm going to share some food and I don't know. And I put the rice looking like you want to drop, so good. I am also people like you want to drop. Right, so curry goat pot, me peep. So when you see the plate, I don't used to the plate, but I know no peep. So when you see what I say, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and alright, me hearing loud and clear. Yeah man, supper. Alright, so the goat, that you know people, as I tell you, I cut up my goat big enough car. You understand? goat feed in a plate, man. Yeah, man, goat feed on my plate, man. Now look how thin this thing like, say. Understand? Oh, God. Trouble. And the rice and melt. You see that, people? Rice and melt, you know? But no worry about that. Food still I got hit. So I don't know, people no catch up on the other side and I'm gonna mash up some food, alright? Yes, my peeps, on the seat. Curry goat rice and peas, yeah, man. I'm done now, my peep. Elderbigz and his son. Alright? Bless him. I'm checking out.